Hey everybody, it's David. I'm back with another look at Postcron. Today we'll take a look at the content gallery off to the right here. So you click on the content gallery, the window slides out. You've got a couple tabs up here, suggestions, social, and bulk files. We'll focus on social in this video. So you've got Pinterest, YouTube, Flickr, and RSS feeds. So when you go to Pinterest, I've typed in yoga journal and did a search, and I know that yoga journal has a lot of cool stuff that's relative to my business. So I'm going to hit edit on this post about eagle pose. It should pull up a preview pretty quick, and I can say something like the pose we did this weekend in class, eagle pose, check it out. And then I want to put that on my business page, my yoga page. I also want to put it on my closed Facebook groups. I won't tweet it out, and I won't put it on my Google Plus pages. I'm going to schedule it, and then I'm going to schedule for the 24th at 5:23 p.m. And there you go, and we should be all set with that. Next, we'll take a look at YouTube. So click over to the YouTube tab on the social tab, and I've got Paul Grilly Anatomy. I did a search for that. I know Paul makes some excellent anatomy videos. I'll scroll down for Anatomy for Yoga with Paul, clip 1. That's the one I want. And I'll hit edit. And again, I'll put something up here, clip 1, and check it out and all that. This one I want to do to Twitter and all of my Facebook ones, and then the Google Plus pages, just to give you an example. And I'll schedule those for the 25th. Those are done. We'll go to the next tab over, which is the Flickr tab. I've typed in something called Sanskrit mantra, and I'll scroll down, and I'm looking for this. Let's see. There it is right there. Om Mani Padme Hum. So I'm going to hit edit on that mantra, edit and schedule. There it goes. So for the TT group, check this out, and then I'll just go to that one TT group and hit schedule. That one's going to go on the 26th, and I hit done there. The final tab here under the content gallery under social is the RSS feed. So if you want to add a new RSS feed, you hit add new RSS. In this case, I did a search for yoga journals RSS feed and copied that URL and set it up. So now I'll just click that. And then once it's connected, it'll pull up Yoga Journal's RSS feed. And this has a lot of stuff that our clients like. The Banda approach that could change everything, right? Great. So we'll hit edit there. And then let's get rid of that. You can put more text in here, what normal text you would do with your post. I'm going to put this on the business page, all 4 closed groups, Twitter, both Google Pluses. And I'll go down here and schedule. I'll schedule those for Wednesday next week. Hit done. And now we're all set. So if you scroll down on your dashboard, you'll see all the stuff that we've been scheduling the past few minutes. And it's going to go to all of those social media accounts. So I've got 2 or 3 pages scheduled here just in these few short videos that I did. All set to go. So I'm going to take the next couple days off and know that I'm going to have plenty of content going out to all of my social media accounts, and I won't have to worry about it. So again, postcron.com. It's a great software that I've been using, and I really, really like it, and I hope that video was helpful for you. Thanks.